Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2014 Toyota Venza LE all-wheel drive. Stock number Z7329B. 83,000 miles on this trade-in. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Magnetic gray metallic in color. The Venza is a very safe vehicle. 5-star overall government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5. Cloth interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Split folding rear seat. Folds flat easily with the pull of a handle on either side. This LE has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat. Front seats are also heated. Large, easy to read gauges. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Cruise control. Large touchscreen for radio. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. Dual zone heating and air conditioning. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the center console. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones, and a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Venza has a 2.7 liter 4-cylinder, 181 horsepower. And very clean under the hood, as you can see. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 20 miles to the gallon and the city average of 26 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.